This is the 7th episode, and here we'll learn about responding to the event. First, let's create a new component. So open your code editor, open src and components. Here, create a new file, respond to events.js. Let's create a functional component, so add export default function and a component name. Inside return, let's add a div tag and also add the class box. Inside this div, let's add the button tag. The name of button is click me. Now let's import this component under app.js. So on top, import respond to event, then at the bottom use respond to event as an element. Once done, check the side and we can see a button. It means our component is working. Now let's add click event on this button. So when you click on this button, it should display the alert box. Go back to your component and in this button tag, add onClick and pass a function. I will say handle click. Then on top, you can create this function handle click and you can add your alert box. Once done, check the preview, and this time when you click on this button, you should see an alert box with a message. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll use the state. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.